Right there.
I don't want any other kids. If you go where Greg's at, you'll get a better picture of Crawford.
Your husband was, yeah. What were you doing? You'll find out when you get into work on Monday.
I can't read the guy. I'm not certain he knows what I even do there. He's like,
I'll be like, hey, did you get Erica? No.
yeah, yes.
For the one that Highly, called her Kelsey. I think he does that on purpose because now they're tight.
Good thing you're going to try to take him on that side.
I'll just put it over here. See, this is what we do.
I was going to say.
No, I was not playing. Oh, thank you. Half the men, half the married. Alex, Rod, and Rod got rid of and then his truck he is selling to his son.
Probably got it for diesel. Where they're not making the diesel additive for the oil change and whatever that's on
But yeah. No, but Rod did say that like the deal that the dealership gave us on his Camaro, like he took it off the way. I keep getting
Yes, mine too, my Camry. I'm like, what is my 2011 Camry for? But it keeps going up.
So I keep getting that on my
It literally keeps going up. So I'm like, I don't have a car payment. I don't want a car payment.
I do, but I don't want to car payment.
Right. Well, we have the truck payment, but I'm like, I can't pay that. Hey, we dance with your mom. Who's that? Hey, over at the red shirt. Let's do the red shirt. That's what No, we're all friends here. It's fine.
Who's rolling the video?
If you want to look at cost, there's a little bit we can do that. Last time I lifted my breast, I mean, I can still
To be fair,
It's okay. Yay!
all right, let's do some cake.
All right, I think it's about time to cut that cake. Our way up to the porch. Liam's gonna slice that cake right up for everybody to enjoy.
Awesome!
I'm pretty sure you will. Andy, are you wearing a garter?
That's all I said I wanted to do. Should have already done photos.
I think they're gonna do it right here.
Justin? So that I can see from here. Gonna have to be a little bit louder. Okay. Louder. We're doing the cake.
Shove it in his face.
I was just about to say that. Now you barely see. Yeah! Yeah, get it! Yeah!
Your makeup so looks great.
Yeah!
All right, I'll That's the important question.
Come get it. I don't know what else to say.
Come get your cake.
I'll start throwing them at you guys.
All right, girls, you want to
You got some right here, sis. Mandy, you got some right here.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom.
Okay.